Fix not registered or network problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. To solve the issue of fix not registered or network problem, simply launch the settings application on your device. Now first of all, what you can simply do is take out the SIM card and readjust, and this might help you solve the issue of the network issue. Next, what you can simply do is tap on About Phone and check for any updates available for your device. Now, as you have checked the updates on the device, simply go back and then tap on the option of SIM cards and mobile networks. And as you do that, you can just go to your SIM card and make the necessary changes in your access point names, the preferred network type. And after that, you can now just go back and tap on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.